Hi, my name's Ari Presetya. I'm from Australia and have been living in Denmark for the past 8 years. I'm a furniture designer and maker. I have a small workshop out in Herlev, just outside of Copenhagen, where I make prototypes and do small production runs. As my approach to my own work, I guess it's very much from an expression through play approach to explore different materials, shape, form, but being thoughtful with functionality. I'm interested in space and materials, so I'm not very pigeonholed in or a set way of doing something, because I think it's always nice to kind of keep it open and be interested in, playing or exploring different approaches to doing something or making something.